Guys, don't tamper with firearms. Don't pull the firearm. Never change the code in. Never change the candela. That is illegal and you will go to jail for it. Don't pull the firearm like this. Never do it. Never. Never, never, never. Don't change the code in the firearm. Never mess with the firearm panel. Or if you have a firearm key, never do this. Never. Never, ever do this. Never, ever. That is illegal and you will go to jail. So never do it. Never switch the code and never change the candela. And if you can change the candela, if this is 110, don't change it to 50 or 25 or nothing. And if you ever see this in public, if you ever see a smoke alarm in public, do not push the test button. It's not a toy. And last but not least, if you see a smoke detector, don't spray smoke check into it and set it off. That is illegal. Bye.